These are rolls from Supreme Plumbing Steps for doing your new renovation. Step 1, come and see the friendly team at Plumbing World. Step 2, choose your products. And what a range of products there is. Tapware. Range of tapwares and colours. Gunmetal, black, chrome, goosenecks. You got long spouts, big spouts, rain heads. Not sure what this thing is, but yeah, it looks all right. Shower rails and shower heads, which is best for singing in the shower. The Barry White voice. Range of indoor heating solutions. Beautiful. Laundry. Vanities. 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 Range of vanities, soft closing doors. Showers. Basins. Long oval basin, round basin, square basin, black basin, pink basin. Bath. How many could fit in this bath? For a tradie, maybe one, but we'll squeeze a few more in. Not tradies, that is. We don't want lots of tradies in the bath. Other people, I mean a tradie with other people in the bath. Final step, come and see the team at Plumbing World. Grab what you need, they're here to help.